Hi, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'll show you how to reduce taskbar icon size in Windows 10, step by step, so you can have a cleaner and more compact taskbar. Step 1. Press Windows +S on your keyboard to open the search box. This lets you quickly find apps and tools on your PC. Type Regedit here because we need to access the registry editor to make changes. Step 2. Click on Registry Editor from the search results to open it. This is where Windows stores settings for your system and apps. Opening it allows us to customize hidden features like the taskbar size. Step 3. In the Registry Editor, navigate to HKE Current User, which contains settings specific to your user account. This ensures the changes we make only affect your profile. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Software, a folder that holds settings for all installed applications and Windows features. This is where the system keeps configurable options. Step 5. Under Software, find and click on Microsoft, which is where Windows-specific settings are stored. This helps us access Windows components safely. Step 6. Click on the Windows folder inside Microsoft, which contains settings related to the Windows operating system itself. We need this to reach taskbar configurations. Step 7. Go to Current Version, which stores settings for the version of Windows you're running. This ensures the change applies correctly to your system version. Step 8. Click on Explorer, which is the component that manages your desktop, taskbar, and file navigation. We modify this to change how the taskbar looks. Step 9. Open the Advanced folder under Explorer, where detailed configuration options are stored. This is where we can add custom settings like taskbar size. Step 10. On the right-hand pane, right-click and select New DWORD, 32-bit value, which lets us create a new setting for the taskbar. This is the key step to enable size adjustment. Step 11. Name the new file, TaskbarSi. This is the exact name Windows recognizes to control the taskbar size. Typing it correctly is very important. Step 12. Double-click on TaskbarSi and enter a value to adjust the taskbar size. 0 for small, 1 for default, and 2 for large. This lets you choose the size that fits your preference. Step 13. Close Registry Editor to save the changes. The setting is now ready, but won't apply until the system restarts. Step 14. Restart your system to apply the changes. After rebooting, you will see the taskbar icons reduced in size according to the value you set. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.